Richard here from Car Sound Security. This is going to be a how-to guide on how to use the Ghost 2 immobilizer on a Mercedes. So I'm going to show you how to firstly enter your code. So what you do when you get in a vehicle, do not press the brake, just press the ignition only. So Mercedes, sometimes you have to press it several times to get it to ignition. So as you can see, all the lights on the dash come on, the warning lights and everything, they need to be on. You need to enter your code, so because it has a demo button, so 1 2 3 4. When you enter your code, you'll get 2 high beam flashes, so at the top there. And now you can start your car. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you change your code. So the first thing you do is press the start button. Again, make sure all the dash lights come on. Then enter your code, 1 2 3 4. Wait for the flash, but do not start the vehicle. So now what you need to do is you need to press your accelerator, the gas pedal, so this one here, right at the right side, all the way down. You press and hold it. So while holding it down, you enter your code. So 1 2 3 4. So it'll be whatever code you set it to. Do not let go of the gas yet. And as you can see at the top there, it's flashing with the high beams. So once that's doing that, you let go of the gas. That's it. And now you can enter your new code. When you enter your new code, you have to make sure you enter the next button straight away, and the next button and the next button until you're done. If you wait too long in between each button press, it will think you're done, and it will set that code. So I'm going to show you now on a demo button. The button selection we will show you on the day what you can use on your vehicle. So for this demonstration purposes, I'll just choose only one button. So I'm going to change it back to the same one. 1 2 3 4. So as you can see, every time you press it, it will also flash. Once you entered it one time, it will flash 3 times. Then you enter it again. So 1 2 3 4. When you enter your code the second time again, it will flash 2 times to let you know the code has been changed and confirm that that's your new code now. So now I'm going to show you how to put the vehicle into service mode. So some cars some Mercedes it can vary, but if you got a standard Mercedes, we'll also let you know on the day what your service button is. Usually it's always the driver window up 5 times. So I'll show you that now. So the first thing you do is you enter your code. So 1 2 3 4. When you enter your code, you get 2 flashes as normal. Right, now do not start the engine. You press your driver window up 5 times. So 1 2 3 4 5. When you press it up 5 times, you'll get 5 flashes on the dash, as you see there. Now you can start your vehicle. So now the Ghost is turned off. It's only meant for service. It is limited, so if you do drive at 30 miles an hour for more than 5 minutes, the next time you stop the vehicle, you will need to enter your code. It's only meant for driving at slow speeds in a small garage area. And when you get the vehicle back from the service or valet, what you do is put the ignition on as normal, get the lights on the dash turned on, and enter your code as normal. So 1 2 3 4. So you just enter your normal code, whatever you set it to. 2 flashes. Now the service mode has been turned off, and now every time you turn the car off and you need to turn it on again, you need to enter your code. So thank you for watching this video, guys. If you need any help, always comment down below or give us a call and we can help you over the phone as well. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.